Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto E14 with premium design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 84.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 269 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with AI single camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera with aperture 2.2, for selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 Go Edition operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MyUX screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606, 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 2 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.49 by 74.53 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 178.8 grams, and the color options, graphite gray, pastel purple, pastel green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, with Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone. Includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, single speaker with Dolby Atmos support, IP52 water-repellent design support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto E14 has been priced in Europe for 2 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at €78. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto E14 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.